The SANROCK 1080p HD camera drone is a top-of-the-line product that offers immersive visual experiences thanks to its high-definition 1080p camera, capable of capturing every detail with crystal clarity. The drone is equipped with smart control features, allowing users to command takeoff and landing with their voice, and also automatically take photos or videos when certain hand gestures are made. This advanced drone is designed for adults with an intuitive application control feature that allows for stunning 3D flips and precise pre-planned flight paths. The SANROCK U52 is ideal for beginners as it offers worry-free flights with features such as headless mode, altitude hold, emergency stop, and 2 speed modes. The drone is built with durable materials and comes with 4 spare propeller guards to prevent collisions and withstand shocks, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Despite its advanced features, the SANROCK 1080p HD camera drone is competitively priced and backed by a 1-year warranty, 30-day return for a full refund, and professional customer service and tech support.